Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and this is a art quilt I am currently working on. I still have to free motion quilt it. I use fusible web, Steam 2 light. It's double-sided. I print out a shape and cut it out on paper. Then I iron it down using a dry iron. It's very important for the iron to be dry and really iron it good because there's glue on the back of the fusible web and you really want it to adhere to the back of the fabric. Then I take my scissors and I cut some different rock shapes. Every shape is different. And then I put it in different spots. Sometimes I can make 15 or 20 different rocks before I like the shape that I get. Then the next thing I do is I find a plastic container and I fill it with all the scraps that already have the fusible web on it. Don't throw those scraps away because I save them and I use them again for other quilts. And then I like to put my scraps in the fabric bowl that I made.